Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Meme Daily YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Bitunix. That's a rising crypto exchange platform, and also for the new users they are giving away free money. You can get up to $50 or $500. Signing up is so simple. You click the sign up button and you add your email address or mobile number, then your password, and on the referral code you need to type my code basically, then click sign up, and then you will receive your VIP account. And also with VIP account you will receive free discount, mystery box every week, also guaranteed SL coupon, exclusive financial products, dedicated account manager, also many more exclusive gifts are available for VIP users. Okay, so basically on Bitunix you can future trade, you can copy trade, you can spot trade, you can use also staking earn page. Also there is proof of reserve, which might be important for new users because their ratio, their reserves are real and you can verify this from here. Anyways, let's check out the futures part. You can future trade up to 125x on short or long, whatever you want. Of course, if you trade with 125x, that will be more risky. But let me show you my trade. I turn it on long position on Bitcoin and I enter around at 117k, and now price is 118k for $100, which means I have $300 profit. If I want to take my profit, I can take easily my $300 profit here. As you can see, I don't know what's gonna happen next on Bitcoin, but basically you can trade on Bitunix on futures, or if you can do also copy trading. There is many people here that you can copy pros trades, but of course this is risky too. There is no financial advice on this video. Everything is risky. Make sure to do your own research, but if you want to get low fees on trading, you can use Bitunix with my code, and then you will receive free VIP account and free mystery box. So let's see why Bitunix. Because it's secure, it's seamless, insights and service support is full active that you can contact them whenever you want. There is also mobile app. If you want to use the mobile app, that's very simple, no lags, nothing. It's very easy to use. There is many top cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want. Also new coins are instantly adding on Bitunix. You can take a look at them too. There is XRP here, Bitcoin here, Ethereum. These are my favorite coins. I also traded soon when it launched first, and then I made easy profit. Like for example, let me show you. It was around like here at 60 cents, and I opened the trade around like 50 cents, and then it dropped like 25 cents. I take my profit around like 30 cents, and then let's see, it went up and then it went a bit down. Maybe it can go a little up, and then I think it's gonna go more down. But of course this is not a financial advice, I'm just checking out them. You can take a look at Bitunix from the description. You can easily use indicators from trading views. The chart is 24/7 updated instantly. So that's very perfect. Like for example, it's so easy to use. Let's say I want to take a profit, right? I can clearly decide the target. Let's say I think it's gonna hit all-time high again, and I'm saying like 123.5k, which means I will make easily 1.3k profit if it hits like here. But of course we can't know. This is not a financial advice, guys. As you can see, I opened the trade like here. It was like 117, and now it's 118.500. Alright guys, that was the video. I hope you like it. Bitunix is very good for trading. Also they have competition. It's live. They are giving 675,100k for giveaway. All you need to do is registering, and if you want to trade, you can trade with like trading volume leaderboard, royal leaderboard, new user leaderboard, or new user royal leaderboard. That's very perfect to use. If you want to take a look, you can check out the description part. That was the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to use my referral code so you can receive free VIP account and mystery boxes for free. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace out.